Good morning. So we are starting our design unit, and the first thing we're going to work with is positive and negative space. We will be doing a traditional vase face project, and if you can see in this drawing, some people see the vase and some people see the faces, and it's all depending on which you consider the positive part of this drawing. Positive is the space that holds the mass. Negative is the space that has no mass, or the air of it. So when some people consider the black part of this, they see the vase, or maybe like a table lamp, or something that would hold a table lamp. When somebody sees the white part as the positive space, you can see the two profiles of a face looking at each other. So we're going to create that. I'm going to do this with a simple white piece of paper that I fold in half. And it's very important that when you do this, that you do not go onto the other side of the space, no matter what side you're working on. I'm going to do it in marker, but you can do it in pencil, and then you can trace it with a marker after. You start on the left-hand side. Actually, if you're lefty, you'll start on the other side, but righties will start on this side, and you will simply begin to make the profile of the face, making the forehead first. When you get to the eye, comes out the nose, and then the nose flattens out, and then comes down a little bit, and you form two lips, and that comes down to create the chin, and that'll come down to create the neck. So now the harder part is on the other side, is that we're not creating the same shape, same profile, we're flipping it. So you're going to slow down your marker when you do this tremendously. You'll see I'm not working as fast, and I'm mirroring. It's a mirror image. And I'm trying to see where my pen switches direction on the other side, and that's what I do there. This is what we consider a lot more right brain use. If you know anything about the right brain, left brain theory, this is when you slow down and you're able to actually draw what you see. So this is flipping. This is a little exercise to get you to there. You have a choice. You can color in the two faces if you prefer that, or you can color in the center part, which is the vase. The next part of this project is a little bit more abstract, and I'm going to create more of a monster vase face type drawing. And the shapes are more complicated, so don't go too zigzaggy, but give yourself enough of a challenge. So I'm going to do the same thing, and again, you can do this in pencil. I'm doing it to start in marker. You fold it in half, and I'm just going to make this a little bit more Shrek-like, starting at the rounder top. I'm going to bring up his antenna, and then maybe he has an ear, and a weird eye socket that has some ziggy zags. He might have a really big tongue and a jagged little neck thing. So now the harder part is doing it mirror on the other side. So again, I'm going to slow down my marker or my pencil, because, and you'll see this one I'm going to do a lot slower because it takes more concentration, especially to talk to you at the same time, to create this image in mirror form. You have to look at what directions it's going and flip it. Now if you do it in eraser, if you have a pencil, you do have an eraser, so if you make a mistake, you can, oh, I just got confused. Nope, this way. You can then erase your pencil before you do it permanently in marker. And there we go. So again, you would either shade in one side or this side, or shade in the middle. And that's our first part of positive negative space in our design project. Each one is worth 100 points, and it's due Friday, November 20th. Okay, get started.